Friends, last session we had discussed about structure of union government. So in that we already discussed India adopted as a parliamentary types of system. In that we can see there are two types of houses. One is upper house, second one is lower house. Upper house is called as the Rajya Sabha, lower house is known as Lok Sabha. So these like we discussed in last class and qualification and terms of the Rajya Sabha members and Lok Sabha members. So these are the matters we are discussed in last session. In this class, we are discussing what was the powers or functions or work we are given to Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha members, or who are the member of parliament. What was the work or functions or power they have? So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. So first of all, here is the first one. Here they given legislative power. In the power of parliament, in first power, here they given legislative power. So what is that one legislative power? Means here they say the basic work of parliament members, or who are become the member of parliament, the basic power of these members, that is to make a law, to create a law. So this is one of the important primary functions of parliament members. So this only we are discussing in legislative power. Means the main work or primary work of parliament members of parliament, that is to create or to make a law. And we can see another power also be given to legislative powers and we given to member of parliament. So that is here they are saying that only to prepare a financial bill. They want to prepare the financial bill and they want to get approval in parliament, and afterwards they can implement. But here is one of the important factor or one of the important feature in financial bill, that is we want to pass financial bill in only in Lok Sabha. If in Lok Sabha, if financial bill, the members of the Lok Sabha members, they agreed the financial bill, that can pass, that can become as a, they can implement the financial bill. Otherwise, here financial bill did not take the permission of Rajya Sabha. But other anything bills or any law or any other programs or any other activities want to take the decision in parliament. So both house they want to give same decision or same opinion. But except financial bill. Financial bill only want to give approval only Lok Sabha. This is no need the approval of Rajya Sabha. But other any bills want to take or want to take the approval, both house also want to give the permission. Without the permission of both house, this bill could not pass. So this is one of the important functions of member of parliament. And second one here they given, that is here they given administrative power. So this was one of the important power of parliament system. Here they say Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, who are there, they all are the executive body, their major body of in parliament system. Next one here they say the Union Cabinet accountable to the parliament. If here they say the cabinet of minister of central government, they are the responsibility of parliament. Who are the parliament members? Who are they asking the doubts or questions about the programs or about the bills? The Council of Ministers who are responsible, they want to give the answer. And their responsibility, and they want to give the correct answer for the particular question. The speaker duty, that only they want to give a permission to opposite leaders who are there or who want to they ask the question to the Minister of Council or particular department. They want to give some of the provision or time for him and they want to say the answer. So these like we can see administrative system means executive body here, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. If other members of the parliament members, they can ask the question about department or any programs with Prime Minister or who are Council of Minister for them. And the duty of Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, that is, they want to say correct answer for the particular question. So this is also one of the important duty. After that, here they saying, and this is one of the important because of they want to uphold the dignity and respect of the Parliament, because they have one of the important dignity and respect because of our sovereign country. So on that based, they want to give the answer, correct answer they want to give. And next one here they saying, and in that based Parliament is controlled by executive body. Executive body means administrative systems, who are we are seeing by IAS officer, IFS officer or IPS officers. We can say administrative body in so many of department. So who are controlling these are the department? Parliament. And next one, third one power here they given, that is financial power. So here they given in financial powers, the financial power to control by Lok Sabha. Already we discussed in legislative power about the financial bill. So who is took the power to prepare a financial or budget or to get a approval? Only one house, that is Lok Sabha. Next one here they say, not only this one, next one here they say, the government cannot levy or tax to spend without the approval of Lok Sabha. Next one point they are saying, if any one amount government they collected to the peoples and they want to implement any programs, before that they want to get the approval of Lok Sabha, the House of Lords or People House. They want to get the approval. Without the approval, cannot implement any financial projects. First of all, they want to get approval of Lok Sabha. And next one here they are saying, the financial bill must and should they want to introduce in Lok Sabha. If any financial bill means budget, if they prepare the budget by central government, they want to implement that one budget. Before that, they want to get the permission of Lok Sabha. And next one here they say, after the approval of Lok Sabha, here they is saying that bill is going to Rajya Sabha. They also going the discussions. Sometimes they giving Rajya Sabha, they giving some of the directions or suggestion to Lok Sabha. You have to do these like of mistakes in financial bill or budget. You have to do this like of. They giving some of the changes or suggestions or directions. And next one here they saying, but here they saying within 14 days they want to send the suggestion or direction to Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha members, when they got the budget or financial bill, in that day to till 14 days, within 14 days they want to say the suggestion or directions. If that 14 days is over, that means also they did not send any direction or suggestions, without the approval of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha they can approve the financial bill. This is one of the important power we are given to Lok Sabha. Means without the permission of Rajya Sabha, we can approve financial bill. And next one here they are saying, and so after that this one bill going to president to the sign of approval. After the discussion of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, the financial bill or any other bills, after the discussion, that bill is going to president. After the president, they are giving the sign. So on that sign based, we can say this file or this bill is approved. So this is one of the important procedure in our parliament system. And next one here they given, that is judicial power. So what was the matters we can see in judicial power? Here they say both houses of parliament, they have one of the important power, that is they can appoint the, here they give Supreme Court, they can authority to remove the judges of Supreme Court and High Court. The main power we given to parliament system for Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, that is if any one person, if they did misbehavior in the judgment or in a court, in High Court judge or Supreme Court judge, is one of the important power for Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha member, that is they can remove the particular power of that particular judge. So here they are saying on that based, here they are saying the Supreme Court judge and High Court judge, how they can remove that one post. So is one of the important procedure, that only here they are given motion of impeachment. The procedure of removal of High Court judge or Supreme Court judge, that particular post or particular method for the given name as a here they given motion of impeachment. So in that based, the discussion is going on in Parliament, both houses in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. After that, both also they taking the decision on that based on the motion of impeachment, they can remove the post of judges. So this is one of the important power we are given to member of Parliament. And next one power here they given power of amend constitutions. Means in our laws, rules and regulations, we are knowing our constitution is world's second largest constitution, and first chapter we already discussed, sometimes flexible, sometimes rigid constitutions. Sometimes some of the rules and regulations we can change that one easily method. Some of the constitutions that is not a easy method to change, that is some difficult methods we want to practice. So on that based here they given, we given some power to Parliament, that is to change a constitutions, that only to amend a constitution. This power we are given to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha member. So what was the procedure? Here they saying, first one, the both house, they want to together they want to gather in a house, in Parliament house. Within that one, both house, they are introducing the amendment of the constitutions. So after that, the both house also they are doing the discussions. Some of them favor, some of them against. After the discussions here they say the amendment, the approval in a both house, that the bill want to approve in both house. Sometimes if they did not came same opinion, so that time president they can interfere the houses and they can explain about the bill. So what was the bill or what was the amendment, why we want to change this one amendment, they can explain it. So after that, they want to take the suggestions of member of Parliament. After that, both house also want to give a approval. Without the both house of approval, we cannot implement any amendment of constitutions, means any laws. Sometimes some of the rigid constitutions, sometimes they want to get the permission of legislative assembly, means state government. Some of the constitution that is easy, flexible, so they only can change in both houses, they can the discussion, and if they given the approval, the president they can implement the act or they implement the laws. But sometimes that is a rigid constitution amendment, so that time the Parliament also they want to take the approval. After that, the bill want to come in state side, and state also they want to give approval. So this like we can change our constitutional amendment. This also power we are given to member of Parliament. So after that here they given, not only this one, we are given some other power also to our member of Parliament. What was the powers? Here they given first one, the FAME law relating the power of jurisdictions of the Supreme Court and the High Court. Some of the powers, what was the work they want to do, Supreme Court or High Court judge. So this about also they preparing the rules and regulations. This also power we are given to member of Parliament. After that, next one here they given to establish High Court for 2 or more states. Because if any one state is a small and we are considering a very small population, we can merge it 2 states and they can establish single court for both states. So these like also power we given to Parliament system. And next one, to create a new states, and next one here they given rename them and determine the boundaries of the state. For example, if they want to create a new states, next one, if you want to change the name of the state, and another one here they given, if any problems is going on the state's boundaries, so that time who is interfering or who is getting the power to solve these are the problems, only the Parliament. And next one your point they given, fourth one, to discuss about the committees like Public Service Commission, Financial Commission, Election Commission, Backward Classes Commission. We can see there are different types of independent commission in our central government, especially Election Commission are there, or Public Service Commission, UPSC, we can see Backward Classes Commissions. So these like of commissions, who is taking the authority or who is taking that particular commission about the responsibility? Parliament. This was one of the important power. After that, to approve the declaration of emergency like national emergency, state and financial emergency. For example, national level, any problems is arised. For example, natural disasters or sometimes any other enemy's countries, they did the attacks. On that time, India or our nation, they can introduce emergency. So who got the power to introduce national emergency or state emergency or economic emergency? Only the parliament. So national emergency, commonly they are coming sometimes of flood or natural disasters time, or sometimes any other countries they attack to our country. So on that time, central government they implemented by national emergency. State emergency, when in state inside politically stable government if did not came, or any government also they not took the power in that particular state, on the time central government they can announce state emergency. And finally, economic emergency, when our country become economic depression, economically our country is not stable, so on the time our parliament they have the power, they can implement emergency. So these are the important powers got by our parliament. So next class we can discuss about next topic. Okay, thank you.